All right, a lot of you have been asking how to add students to your classes in Moodle Classroom. It's really easy. You you go over to People and click on the little symbol of a person with plus. It says Invite Students there. Let's say this is an English 10 class, so one of the students in grade 10 is Timothy Brenneman. So if I start typing his name, he should appear here. There he is, Timothy Brenneman, and invite him. And as soon as I do that, he'll appear here, and an email with all the login information has been sent to his school email account. That's all you have to do. If you want to invite a whole group of students at once, if they're all in the same grade level, then you look at their graduation year. So grade 10 students are graduating, let's see, the 12th graders are class of 2021, 11th graders right now are class of 2022, so this would be the class of 2023. So you type 23 student group, and you invite the whole group at once. And it's sending out emails right now, or at least thinking about it. And you'll see all of these people have now gotten emails to join the class. That's how to add people to your class. It's really simple. Now, once they've accepted the invitation, you'll see a little mark that says Invite Guardian. And when you do the Invite Guardian, that allows you to invite their parents or parent or guardian through their parents' Hope Academy email address to this site. But I'll show you how to do that later on. This shows you how to add students. Really simple, and I hope that helps.